Welcome back, everybody. Starting today off with a good one. We are at Legacy Ford in Rosenberg, as you see here. We're going to start on this 24 F-150 XLT. This is going to be my office view for the day. A lot of hay over there. Yeah, going to be out here today, knocking this one out. Let me just show you the before. Just got your standard cloth that'll come on all your XLT models. As you know, XLTs do not come with leather no matter how many options you get. You cannot get an XLT with factory leather. You have to go the aftermarket route. If you want to have leather, you have to step up to the Lariat version. Otherwise, this is what you're getting. Just thought I'd throw that out there in case people didn't know that. Got your digital cluster on the new ones, your big 12, I think it's 12-inch screen now, standard, and you got your standard cloth seats in the back. Now let me show you these kits. I'm doing two of these today. One of them is going to be a lot. A lot of people may not like it, as you can see already. Start over here with the gray. This is what's going in that truck. This is a Lunar Grey, single diamond inserts, perforated inserts along with perforation on the wings. Black with the, I want to say it's Lunar Grey stitching as well. Let me check. I want to be wrong here. Yeah, Lunar Grey stitching as well. Now over here, we got purple Tech Valley inserts along with black on the wings. And that one's going to be on a lifted truck that's out front. I haven't seen the truck yet, but that's going to be for that. Every now and then we get those customers who like wild. So, but yeah, once I'm done with this one, I'll give you guys an update. And then I'll check in with you at the end of the day with the other one. All right. All right, we got this truck all done. Yeah, it's getting pretty bad out here. It's supposed to rain today, and it's already sprinkling, as you can see on this window here. I need to get some cover because I'm out here. Anyway, here we go. Kit's all installed. Like I said, it's the Lunar Grey with black Lunar Grey stitching. We got the perforated wings. We got single diamond perforated inserts. Got your nice pretty little Katzkin tag there. Yeah, so the truck's all done. Went ahead and swapped the console as well. The stitch color was a little off, so I went ahead and put the Lunar Grey stitching on. And there is your passenger seats. And let me show you the back real quick. Oh, it's starting to really sprinkle. All right. And here's the back. And I have noticed a lot of people do ask me about this center. How come there's no coloring there? I think you have to ask for it because most of the time, if you order a kit, it's going to be whatever your dominant color is. So if your dominant color is black, this is going to be black. It's not going to be the two-tone color as you see here. Either that or they just like to break it up, which is they don't want too much gray. So maybe that's why they don't do the inserts here as well. But it just depends on how you feel about it. I think it probably looks better like that, broken up to where you have, you know, it's, well, I guess it's a 60-40 seat, but you got 20% of the seat, with that. Anyway, this one's done. And I finally got my other truck, which is that lifted one over there. And that one's getting the purple. So let me go ahead and start on that one. And I'll check in with you when that one's done. All right, guys, the moment you've been waiting for. This purple passion prickly pear interior is finally done. Truck is lifted on a 6-inch lift. I'm not exactly sure what. I see some Fox shocks, possibly some, I don't know, BDS or something. I can't tell. Anyway, here you go. So this one, like I said, it's purple with black wings, which would be this portion here. This is called the Tech Valley insert. Also redid the center console. I think it came out very nice. Let me hop up in here so you can take a look at the passenger seats. I think it flows very well. Now, how do I feel about purple? I mean, I don't hate it, but I also don't like it. I sent a picture to my wife. She's like, "Oh my God, how much is that?" I'm like, "No, I'm not doing this. Stop thinking about it." She's got a 4Runner already with leather, but of course, she wants me to redo it. Anyway, it's the back. And like this one, since we went all solid, like I was mentioning on the other F-150, they stuck with the main color because they only did wings. So that's why you only see just a portion of black in the back. But the main solid color is purple. So you're going to see purple all throughout. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm sure the customers are going to love it. Don't know who the customer is. I didn't speak to them today. I have a contact here. His name's Joe Payne at Legacy Ford. So if you ever need any aftermarket accessories, he's the one that I deal with, and I know, so he can get you hooked up on what you need if you're ever in this area. Or you can always come visit one of our shops. Look up alloutoffroad.com. We have 4 in the Houston area, one in Dallas that actually does leather, and we have Phoenix and other stores in Dallas that are fleet, which is like they do the big truck stuff, like the cranes and stuff that are added, the flatbeds, stuff like that. You can also look up that if you're interested in those kind of things for your business. Anyway, but yeah, if you come down here, you can talk to, like I said, Joe, or contact Katzkin. You can go to katzkin.com. You can actually build something like this so you can get an idea of what you want, or you can come to one of our stores and we can help you build something to, please you. Oh, I'm sorry. I also forgot to mention the piping. Yeah, the other truck didn't have piping. This one does. So there you go. All right, I'm out of here. On to the next one.